Today I'm going to be making whipped cream for my carrot cake. Here I'm going to be using half a tablespoon as my template for the whipped cream. I usually use my measuring cups and my teaspoons a lot when it comes to my felt food. So you're going to start with outlining 5 circles onto your felt, 1 for the base, and then 4 to build off of that base. I'm using a disappearing ink pen that I got from Hobby Lobby. I tend to use the purple side way more than the blue. I've noticed that the blue side doesn't fade that well, so just keep that in mind. So obviously once you're done outlining, you will want to cut out the 5 circles. Make sure you have your needle and your matching thread ready. You'll then take your first circle and you're going to go ahead and fold it in half like a taco, and then fold it again so it makes a small triangle. And then from there, you'll match up the side with the base of your whipped cream. Once you have it matched up, you will then take your needle and come up through the back and make 2 small stitches at the tip of that triangle. It doesn't have to be pretty. It doesn't have to be perfect. No one's seeing these stitches. It's just making sure that you secure that top piece to your base. So from there, you will do the same thing to the other 3 pieces, the other 3 circles. You're pretty much building a circle on top of your circle. I use this whipped cream style a lot on my felt food. So pancakes, cupcakes, cookies, pies, you name it. I'm using this this kind of whipped cream. It's just my go-to. So once you have attached all 4 pieces, you're going to go ahead and flip it over, and you'll want to secure your stitches. So you will take a little bit of felt, and before you pull that thread all the way through, you'll put your needle through that hoop, not once, but twice, and then pull tight. This will create a knot in the thread, and it will secure all those stitches that you just did. And then once you're done, you just cut off the extra. And there you go. You have like the perfect little whipped cream for your felt food. Now you can definitely stop there, but I wanted to make mine into a carrot since it is for a carrot cake. So I then took out some green felt and cut out a strip of felt. And then with this strip, I'm going to just make little tiny cuts. Make sure you don't cut all the way through. You want them all to stay connected. But once you have cut your little, strips, you will then start to roll the base up, and you want to glue as you go. In this video, I didn't glue as I went because I wasn't sure if I wanted this size or not. But once you're done rolling it, you'll find, you'll split the whipped cream, you'll find the middle of it, and you will glue it right in the center. And that's how I made my whipped cream for my carrot cake. I hope that this was helpful. Please comment down below if you have any questions or if you have any tips, and stay tuned for the next video.